Minexa is designed for both worlds, a no-code interface for analysts and a full API for engineers building large-scale systems. Today we'll use it to scrape job listings quickly and accurately. Go to the simplyhired.ca page you want to scrape. Everything from here is automatic. Click the extension icon. Minexa reads the current page automatically, with no setup required. Click here, and Minexa evaluates the page layout, understanding how results are organized and how new items appear as you move through the site. Minexa knows how to move through all pages. The navigation was detected and will be applied on every future run. Choose lightweight list scraping or full extraction across every detail page. Click Continue for direct pages. Switch to advanced mode when the page requires interaction steps before data appears. Click Create Scraper if the block looks right. The analysis only takes a few minutes and produces a scraper that works across all pages with the same layout. Every data point is mapped to the right part of the page. Select the columns you need, and extraction will stay accurate and consistent every time. For job listings, this includes job titles, company names, locations, and posting dates. Click API Request to get the code that lets you scrape up to 50,000 URLs in one go, processed in parallel automatically. Spreadsheet or pipeline, it works. Click Complete Configuration, and your scraper is saved and ready to go. All pages are part of this scraper now. Nothing gets cut off after the first page of results. Ready to extract. You can also send results straight to Google Sheets by connecting it here before creating the job. Press Run, and Minexa handles pagination, page loading, and optional JavaScript rendering automatically from start to finish. What you are looking at was pulled directly from the right spot on the page. Each column was locked to a specific element during training, so job titles, company names, locations, and posting dates are never mixed up. Missing fields show as blank, rather than guessed, and running this again on the same page gives you the exact same result. Download the results. Each row maps to one item on the page in a clean and predictable format. Replace guesswork with deterministic extraction, every column tied to the exact right spot on the page, every single time.